Hey guys, again Pyro. So for today's video, we got another box of fireworks to open up for you. This one's from Supernova Fireworks. We got a couple nice cakes in there to test out, so let's cut it open and see what we got. Should maybe get a bigger knife. All right, so we got two fragmented. We've tested this one out before. It's a really nice cross set cake. So we got two of those 49 shot cakes, or 48 shots. We got two short circuit, which we tested this out as well. It makes a really cool, like a little Hummer shoots up or something. So we got two of those. Looks like that one got some damage. I have to, maybe one of those tubes won't send out a shot, but should be okay. And then we got two breaking points. I haven't tested this one yet. So I think this is it says it's high, but I think it's a low level, a really fast paced fan. But yeah, we'll test that out and see how it works.